Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a super short video on how I style this sleek straight hairstyle. Have you guys ever been on Instagram or maybe Pinterest or seen pictures of celebrities in magazines with a sleek, straight, no movement, frizz, or static type of hairstyle? As you can see, I'm going to be showing you guys and styling my hair just like that. I incorporated the Dry Bar Final Call Frizz and Static Control Mist. Thank you, Dry Bar, for gifting me this Final Call Control Mist. I haven't been incorporating this into my styling routine, and I can honestly tell you it is the best. The video says it all, the hairstyle says it all. I literally fell asleep and woke up like this the next day. So I would highly recommend the Final Call Frizz and Static Control Mist from Dry Bar. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up.